Hello everyone, this is Usha Rani. Welcome back to our channel. Today our topic is trigonometry. In this exercise number 1, third problem, I will start now. Now without late, let us see here all of you. In this, what are given in the third question, ABC is a right angle triangle. In this right angle at letter B and A equal to 24, small a equal to 24 units and B equal to 25 units and angle BAC equal to theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. That is question. So first you have to write down the given data. Later you have to find out. So whatever is given in the question, that information fully you have to write down. That is nothing but given data. In this, what is given means, given that ABC is a right angle triangle. Just you have to mention as it is. And that right angle at which letter already is mentioned at letter B. And A equal small a equal 24 units and small b equal to 25 units and angle BAC equal to theta. Now first you should write the data. Later you should draw the right angle triangle. I have already drawn this figure. Now see here, this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle, which letter is already mentioned in the question. As it is, you have to represent right angle at letter B. So at letter B, you have to represent. Remaining A and C, that is our wish. Anywhere also you can represent it. Suppose if you represent A here, then A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle. In this, you have to represent here angle A equal to theta. That already is given. So wherever angle A is there you have to represent vertex A. Here angle is theta. Angle is theta. You have to represent like this. Little side value, two sides of the right angle triangle already have given. So just you have to represent here. You have to mention those values here. Small a equal to 24 units. Small a. Where you have to represent small a. Small a means in AB's letter. In AB, A should not represent. In BC, here you have to represent A. That you have to learn. In BC, A is not there. Wherever is not there, that you have to represent. A not there. So BC length is nothing but small a. That equal to 24 units you represent. Just you represent. Next, B equal to 25 units. So same procedure here AC. In this B is not there. So where BC equal to 25 units, just you represent there. And this AB side we don't know. Whenever one side we don't know, only one of the procedure we know that by using that Pythagoras theorem, you can find out that length of AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? By Pythagoras theorem, what is that Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square or perpendicular square plus base square. So h square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Formula, okay, here we have written. But what is hypotenuse here and which is that opposite side, which is adjacent side, you have to represent first. So here these values in this theta is a reference angle. So for this theta, which is the opposite side, that you have to represent as OS. That is opposite side. And this one is adjacent side. This slant line or longest length in the right angle triangle, always you can say that that is a hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Now you can find out where here adjacent side we don't know. Where adjacent side square equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite side square. Then adjacent side equal to square root of square goes to other side. It will become square root. Hypotenuse square minus opposite side square. First you write the formula. Now substitute the values. Now square root of where h equal how much value? Here 25. So 25 square minus opposite side equal to 24. So 24 square. that equal to square root of 25 square equal to 625. Again 24 square equal to 24 ja 576. Directly I have to subtract. Now unit digit, from unit digit to unit digit you can subtract. Here 5 minus 6 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. So 1, 5, 15. 15 minus 6 equal to 9. Again here 1 already have given. So 1 is a 1 minus 7 is not possible. Again borrow 1 here too. So 1, 1, 11. 11 minus 7, 4. Here already 1 we have given the borrow. Only 1 is a here. 5 is a 5 minus 5, 0. The remaining balance equal to 49. So square root of 49. Here square root is a, you also write square root. Square root of 49. Now square root of 49 you have to write down. Find out the small value. Directly you can write the value. Or if you don't know this value, then you have to find out here by using that prime factorization method. Here 7 square equal to 49. This is a small number. So directly here you write. Where 2 and square root both will be cancelled. That equal to 7. How it cancel, all of you know? Square root, the symbol of square root value equal to the power of 1 by 2. So like that you will just, I will show here 7 square, just you have to write, and to the power of bracket you keep the square root value equal to the power of 1 by 2. So to the power of 1 by 2 you write. And then x square, x to the power of m into, or x to the power of m whole to the power of n. Then x to the power of mn is a formula. X to the power of mn is nothing but mn means m into n. That means 2 into 1 by 2. Then 2 will be cancelled. Directly you can cancel. This is in the numerator and this is in denominator. Directly you will get the value 7. Like that you will get that answer. So here adjacent side equal to 7 units. We got it here. Just here you mention. Next what you have to find? First you have to find out the unknown side value. Later whatever is required, those values you can find out easily. So first one is cos theta. Where cos theta? Cos theta equal to, what's the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side equal how much? Here 7. By hypotenuse equal how much? 25. So cos theta equal to 7 by 25. Again next one is tan theta. Tan theta equal to, what is tan theta formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side, what is opposite side value here? Here 24 by adjacent side equal to, here adjacent, what is adjacent side here? AB is adjacent side, what's the value? 7. Therefore cos theta equal to 7 by 25 and tan theta equal to 24 by 7. This is the answer. Next, second question.
Next question, fourth question. If cos A equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. This is simple question. So here what are given here? First you have to write where given thing is here cos A equal to 12 by 13. So cos A equal to 12 by 13. Again side values are given. First you should draw the right angle triangle. Just you write. Later we can represent the side values. Cos A equal to 12 by 13. Cos A equal to 12 by 13 means hence cos A equal to, what is the formula in terms of sides? Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. That value equal how much? 12 by 13. So therefore adjacent side is to hypotenuse. By is nothing but is 2. So is to hypotenuse equal to 12 by 13 is nothing but 12 is to 3. Sorry, 13. 12 by 13 is nothing but 12 is to 13. So therefore adjacent side is to hypotenuse equal to 12 is to 13. First you have to mention, write the formula. So for that you have to write the given value. Again by is nothing but is to, therefore the by is nothing but is to equal to, you have to mention 12 is to 13. Now for angle. Here what you have to find out, sin A and tan A. That means here angle A, theta is nothing but A. Angle A is the reference. Here you have to represent A. Here whatever the letter is represented, that letter you have to take it as a reference angle. So A, B, C. You mention like this. Then here in this ABC, right angle, triangle, in this just you have to represent A is the reference angle here. For this angle A, this is the opposite side. Which is opposite side? That you have to represent as O dot S. That means opposite side. And side one beside one is adjacent side. And this lengthy one is hypotenuse. So directly here you have to represent adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side value how much is given here? 12. Hypotenuse equal how much is given? 13. Is 2 is nothing but the simplified value. So side value is what you have to take. For adjacent side, this is the ratio value is given. Then you have to take here 12k you have to take. Why you have to take here means whenever like this ratio is given means that is nothing but simplified value. Simplified means these values are multiplied in terms of one positive value, one constant value, that is also one positive number or positive value. So here 12k, 12 into k is a constant value. Like that here hypotenuse equal to, for hypotenuse equal to, here what is the hypotenuse value? 13. That also simplified value, again you have to take 13k. That means 13 into k in terms of k. Where again k is a constant, that is also one positive number. So for example, I will show you here 10 is to 25 or 10 by 25. Both are same. You can simplify. 5 is divisible in this 2 times, in this 5 times. Any other value is divisible in both the numbers. Is it divisible? You have to check it. If it is divisible, then again you have to simplify. If it is not divisible, simply you have to write down whatever is the remaining value here in the numerator 2 is to denominator value 5. So 10 by 25 can be written as 2 is to 5. This is the simplified value. So this value whenever is given, that means these values, this ratio value, each numerator and denominator values are multiplied by one constant number that you have to represent as k, where k is a constant number. Now here, first you have to represent here. Only two side values only we know. In the right angle triangle, other side we don't know. Whenever other side we don't know, always you have to follow another theorem, that is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. That we know. Here what we don't know, adjacent side we know, hypotenuse we know, and opposite side only we don't know. Directly also formula also we can write, otherwise we can substitute the values in this formula. Hypotenuse we know that value equal, here you have to represent k and this is also k. Already we have shown here. Now see, h equal to 13k. 13k whole square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side equal to 12k. Again you have to write 12k whole square. Now opposite side we don't know, so opposite side square equal to, first step by step only you have to write, then only will get good marks. That equal to 13k whole square, not the square. Whole square means you have to keep bracket. Suppose 13k square if you write, that is entirely wrong. That means that square is belongs to only k only, not for 13. So you have to keep bracket. Whenever like this if you write, then 2 is related to both the constant and the variable value or internal bracket all terms. Now 13k whole square minus this 12k goes to other side, it will become minus. So 12k whole square. Then opposite side square equal to 13 square as well as k square. 13 ja 169 k square. K whole square is nothing but k square minus 12k whole square. 12 square. First you write 12 square. 12 square is nothing but 144 k square. That equal to subtract 9 minus 4 5. 6 minus 4 2. 1 minus 1 0. So 25 k square is common. 25 k square. Here opposite side square equal to 25 k square. Then opposite side equal to square root of 25 k square. That equal to 25 square means 25 means 5 square and k square. So 5k whole square you can write. So square and square root will be cancelled. So opposite side equal how much we got? 5k. Here opposite side equal to 5k. Just you represent the value here. Next here whatever is required those values you have to find out. Just keep the bracket here. Required values are sin A and tan A. Sin A equal to, what's the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse. First you write. So opposite side equal to what's the value here? You can write BC like that also. But directly also you can write the values. BC instead of BC what's the value? 5k divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to how much? 13k. That means 13k you write. Here k and k will be cancelled. So 5 by 13 is the answer. Next value equal to tan A. Tan A equal to what's the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side equal to what's the value here? BC is the opposite side. Opposite side value equal to 5k. Adjacent side equal. Adjacent side is right here. Adjacent side B or AB is adjacent side. That value equal to 12k. So you write here 12k. So here also k and k both in the numerator denominator k and k is there. You can cancel. Simply you can write 5 by 12 is the answer. And here 5 by 13 is the answer. So sin A and tan A. Sin A equal to 5 by 13 and tan A equal to 5 by 12. This is the answer. So in this exercise, in the previous video, 1 and 2 sums I have already explained. In this video, third sum, fourth sum, I have already explained. So from this you can understand easily, whenever these values and trigonometric functions you want, means by using that right angle triangle, side values only are given, means two values they will give you, third side they won't give, and they will ask the trigonometric functions. Then what you have to do first? You have to find out the third side of the right angle triangle. Third side is required, means you should use only that Pythagoras theorem. By using that Pythagoras theorem only, you can find out the any other side of the right angle triangle. So here the trick is to find the side value, use that Pythagoras theorem. After finding the side value, you can find out the any other trigonometric functions. We know that 6 trigonometric functions, those formulas you have to by heart, and Pythagoras theorem also you have to by heart. These two are main important formulas in this problem. Not only in this except 4 sums also related to same like this only, related to the sides only. So you have to learn that Pythagoras theorem as well as functions of trigonometry. This is the fourth question solution. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and watch my videos. If you have any doubt in those problems, then you can ask me in the comment section. Then I will give that reply. Thank you once again. Thank you.